Okay, sige. Good evening. I am Rachel G. de la Peña, BS Criminology, from Davao de Oro. Before I ask you some questions, let me know you first.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Vincent Sigilayo. Uh, I live in Matina, Pangi, Davao City. And my birth month is March 14, and my age now is 19.
Okay. What position are you interviewing today?
What?
Position.
What? What?
What position are you interviewing today? Tonight?
Uh, Police officer? Ma'am.
Position.
Police,
Police
police officer.
officer.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Why did you choose that job?
Uh, I choose I choose this job because uh, I want to learn more. Uh, I choose this course because this is my uh when I'm a child, this my dream to become this course. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. As Pili ko, number, wait lang, number 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a good reasons why should I choose you over others.
Uh, are you okay? Please, can you choose me because I I experience I I I'm graduate in UM in the course of Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and I train 840 hours, and I experience how to use a gun, and I know what is law. That's all.
Okay, next is, what do you think it takes to be a good employee? What do you think it takes to be a good employee? No?
Yes, ma'am. What do you think?
Mabuting empleyado.
Me, ma'am, no? Me?
Sa mga dapat para matawag ka nga mabuting empleyado. Isa mo mga dapat buhaton.
Be be positive, ba?
Positive.
Be positive, ma'am.
And then, Okay, yun lang. Next tayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 17. How do you approach problem? How do you approach problem?
Uh, Face it and hang on. Why? That's the only way for me because a problem cannot be solved unless you face it.
Okay, last question. Tell me about yourself. Your hobbies, your
Uh, Tell me about myself. I like I like cook. I love ex- I love exercise and I love sports.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Vincent Gilayo.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.